know it's like, oh.
Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Algorithm Pod. My name is Jitesh. So here I am with the next video for cryptographic network security. So in this video we will be looking at cryptographic techniques. Now cryptographic techniques basically means the smallest or should I say the very basic techniques in which we can encrypt our data. Now, there are two types of techniques in this. One is substitution techniques and another is transposition techniques. Now, in this also we have many other techniques in both of these. So, we will explore each and everything in detail. So, the first we'll start with here, substitution techniques. Now, in substitution techniques, substitution in the sense in play if I want to replace one character of the message with any other character, that is substitution. Now there are many techniques in substitution. Let's explore them one by one. The first one is Caesar cipher. How it works? It basically works by representing the k characters ahead in the alphabetical order. Now this k value can be anything. K can be 2, 3, 6, your wish. You can take anything. Now let's look at the example and try to understand the Caesar cipher in more detail. Now, as I mentioned earlier, Caesar cipher works by replacing k number of characters ahead in the alphabet. Now let's take a look at this alphabet. So if you want to write down the alphabet so that you can understand very clearly. Now here I have taken k as 3, which means I have to replace 3 characters ahead. Now first let's take A. Now I want to substitute A with the third character starting from A. Now which means I want to replace A with the third character in the alphabetical order, which means third character in the sense B, C and D. So I have to replace A with D. Now same goes for every other alphabet. I have written down the sequence. I have replaced A with D, B with E, B starting from B, third character C, D and E, like that. Starting from C, third character D, E, F, like this. Now this is the equation for encryption and decryption. Now as we can see, P plus K. P is for plain text, K is for number of characters. How many number of characters? That, as I said, K is equal to 3. 3 characters ahead or 3 characters back, like that. Now let's take an example to understand. Now C is for ciphertext, P is for plain text and K is of course as I said earlier, K. Now let's take an example of plain text. Hello, this is our plain text and we need to find ciphertext. Now this I have taken K value as 3. You can take K value as 4, 5 or 6. Now you need to write down the sequence of alphabets. Who will replace who basically. Like here I have written. Now in this case I have taken K is 3. So I have written down the sequence. Every third character from A. From A, the third character 1, 2, 3. This is D. So I have written D here. So this entire sequence I have written from A to Z. If you get confused or if you don't know how to do it, just simply write down the third character from here. Now observe this carefully. Hello. Now we will approach one character at a time. H. We'll start with H. Now H I need to replace with third character from H. 1, 2, 3. Now I have to replace H with K. Same goes for all the other characters. Now let's come to E. Third character from E. F, G, H. I have replaced E with H. Now same goes for decryption. You have ciphertext and K value. Ciphertext, we have gone 3 characters ahead in case of encryption. Now if you want to decrypt it, now come K characters backward for decryption. Like for starting letter is K here. So start from K, 3 characters backward means J, I, H. Replace K with H. How can you say that whether I have done this thing correct or not? At the end of a decryption, you should get your original plain text. If you get your original plain text, then you have done the correct procedure. Now let's see this one. Another example called I have taken plain text as working. Now the k value I have taken same as 3. Now observe this very carefully. Now here W, the alphabets are from A to Z, so here I am getting Z. What happens when I get the Z? We should start again from A, B and C. We should fill all the remaining alphabets with again from the start. In this case we have started from D. If we want to start for, let's say k is equal to 4, so I have to start from E, F, G, H, I, J and so on up to D. D will come over here. Now let's take working. This will be same as the previous example. W, we need to see W, we need to replace W with Z, so I have written Z here. O, we need to replace O with R, like this, 3 characters ahead. Same goes for decryption. So if you want to practice out with different k values and different plain text, these are the things which you can practice. If you can able to solve it without seeing, then you can say that I have unmastered this concept, or I have understood this entire concept. So that's it for this videos. In further upcoming videos we will explore each and every substitution technique in detail. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel Algorithm Pod, hit the bell icon for future notification. That's it for this video. See you guys. Goodbye.